Hello guys, welcome to my channel Increase Knowledge. Please subscribe my channel and like this video. So today we will discuss about trigonometry. What is trigonometry and their formulas. So guys, please subscribe my channel and share this video and like this video. So it starts. What is trigonometry? Trigonometry derived from two Greek words, trigonon and metron. Trigonon meaning triangle, metron meaning measure. And there are system of measurement of angle, three system of measurement of angle. These are name written as one right angle is equals to 90 degree, 1 degree is equals to 60 minute, 1 minute is equals to 60 second. In centesimal system, one right angle is equals to 100 grades, 1 grade is equals to 100 minutes, and 1 minute is equals to 100 seconds. In circular system, theta is equals to L upon R, where theta is angle, L is arc, L is arc, and R is radius. Circumference of circle upon diameter of circle is equals to R. Our next topic is pi radian is equals to 180 degree. 1 radian is equals to 180 degree upon pi. Its value is 57 degree, 16 minute, 45 second. 1 degree is equals to 0.01746 radian. Relation between three system of measurements of an angle. D upon 90 is equals to G upon 100 is equals to 2R upon pi, where D is equals to number of degree, R is number of radian, and G is number of grade in any angle. In this, sin theta, cos theta and tan theta, domain and range are written as. Graph of sin x is drawn here, and it is continuous for all real values of x. Sin x is continuous for all real values of x. So, sin theta domain is real number and cos theta domain is real number. Tan theta domain is written as. So, graph of cos x is drawn here. And cos x is continuous for all real values of x. Graph of tan x is drawn here. It is discontinuous at m is m pi by 2, where m is odd integer. And graph of cot x is drawn here, and it is discontinuous at x is equals to m pi. X is equals to m pi. So this is the graphs of cos x, tan x, and cot x. And here we will discuss about it is continuous at which point and discontinuous at which point. For cos x is continuous for all real values of x. And then discuss graph of cos x, graph of sec x. Sec x graph is discontinuous at x is equals to m pi by 2. And sec x graph is drawn here. And we know that sin square plus cos square theta is equals to 1. 1 plus tan square theta is equals to sec square theta. 1 plus cot square theta is equals to cosec square theta. And we also know that in first quadrant, all are positive. Sin, cos, tan, cot, cos, sec, cosec. In second quadrant, sin, cosec are positive and all are negative. Remaining all are negative. In third quadrant, tan, cot are positive. In fourth quadrant, cos and sec are positive. All remaining are negative. So this is the graph of sec x. This is notable thing. For cos x is discontinuous at x is equals to m pi by 2. Let's start some formulas. Which is written here. Sin n pi plus minus 1 n theta minus 1 की power n theta is equals to sin theta. Cos theta 2n pi plus minus theta is equals to cos theta. Tan n pi plus theta is equals to tan theta. And here cos a minus b, cos a cos b plus sin a sin b, cos a plus b, cos a cos b minus sin a sin b, sin a plus b, sin a cos b plus cos a sin b, sin a minus b, sin a cos b minus cos a sin b, tan a plus b, tan a plus tan b upon 1 minus tan a tan b, tan a minus b is equals to tan a minus tan b upon 1 plus tan a tan b, cot a plus b, cot a cot b minus 1 upon cot a plus cot b, cot a minus b, cot a cot b plus 1 upon cot b minus cot a. Sin a plus b, sin a minus b equals to sin square a minus cos square a. It's sin square a minus sin square b, and it is also equals to cos square v minus cos square a. Cos a plus b, cos a minus b, cos square a minus sin square v, and which is also equals to cos square v minus sin square a. Then next formula is tan within bracket a plus b plus c. This formula is tan a plus tan b plus tan c minus tan a tan b tan c upon 1 minus tan a tan b minus tan b tan c minus tan c tan a. And our next formula is cos within bracket a plus b plus c. Cos a cos b cos c minus sin a sin b sin c minus sin a cos b sin c minus cos a sin b sin c. Next is cos a plus b plus c, which is in another form cos a cos b cos c within bracket 1 minus tan a tan b minus tan b tan c minus tan c tan a. Sin a plus b plus c sin a cos b cos c plus cos a sin b sin cos c plus cos a cos b sin c minus sin a sin b sin c. Similarly, in another form sin bracket a plus b plus c cos a cos b cos c within bracket tan a plus tan b plus tan c minus tan a tan b tan c. Similarly, and again next formula is sin c plus sin d, 2 sin c plus d upon 2 cos c minus d upon 2 sin c minus sin d equals to 2 sin within bracket c minus d upon 2 cos c plus d upon 2 cos c plus cos d 2 cos c plus d upon 2 cos c minus d upon 2. And here cos c minus cos d formula is written 10 sin 2 theta is equals to 2 sin theta is equals to 2 tan theta upon 1 plus tan square theta. And next formula is written here cos 2 theta also. And we next discuss about cos square theta is equals to 1 upon 2 within bracket 1 plus cos square theta. Sin square theta is equals to 1 upon 2 within bracket 1 minus cos 2 theta. Tan 2 theta is equals to 2 tan theta upon 1 minus tan square theta. Cot 2 theta cot square theta minus 1 upon 2 cot theta. Sin 3 theta is equals to 3 sin theta minus 4 sin cube theta. Cos 3 theta 4 cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta. Tan 3 theta 3 tan theta minus tan cube theta upon 1 minus 3 tan square theta. Cot 3 theta cot cube theta minus 3 cot theta upon 3 cot square theta minus 1. So our next formula is sec 8 theta minus 1 upon sec 4 theta minus 1 is equals to tan 8 theta upon tan 2 theta. And next these are the relations types called. We can directly use some tricks also. Cos a cos 2a cos 2 square a cos 2 cube a dot cos 2 n to the power n minus 1 a is equals to sin 2 की power n a 2 की power n sin a sin pi by n plus sin 3 pi by n plus sin 5 pi by n plus dot up to n terms is equals to 0. Sin 18 degree value which is in radian pi by 10 is equals to root 5 minus 1 upon 4. Cos 18 degree value is equals to root 10 plus 2 root 5 upon 4. Sin 36 which is written in pi radian is pi upon 5 is equals to root 10 minus 2 root 5 upon 4. Cos 36 root 5 plus 1 upon 4. Sin 54 is equals to root 5 plus 1 upon 4. Sin 15 root 3 minus 1 upon 2 root 2. Cos 15 root 3 plus 1 upon 2 root 2. Tan pi by 24 is equals to root 6 minus root 3 plus root 2 minus 2. And this is also important relation tan 6 degree, tan 42 degree, tan 66 degree, tan 78 degree is equals to 1. Sin theta is equals to 0, theta is equals to n pi. Cos theta is equals to 0, theta is equals to 2n plus 1 pi by 2. Tan theta is equals to 0, theta is equals to n pi. These are the general equations of trigonometry. And sin theta is equals to sin alpha, where theta is equals to tan pi plus within bracket minus 1 की power n alpha. Cos theta is equals to cos alpha, theta is equals to 2n pi plus minus alpha. Tan theta is equals to tan alpha, then theta is equals to n pi plus alpha. Then sin square theta is equals to sin square alpha, cos square theta is equals to cos square alpha, tan square theta is equals to tan square alpha. Then in this case theta is equals to n pi plus minus alpha. Sin theta is equals to 1, cos theta is equals to 1, cos theta is equals to minus 1. These, if sin theta is equals to 1, then theta is equals to 4n plus 1 pi by 2. Cos theta is equals to 1, theta is equals to 2n pi. Cos theta is equals to minus 1, theta is equals to 2n plus 1 pi. If tan x plus tan 2x plus tan 3x, it is equals to tan 3x, tan x, tan 2x. Then tan 3 theta minus 1 upon tan 3 theta plus 1 is equals to root 3. If the solution of trigonometric equation is given in the form of a cos theta plus b sin theta is equals to c, then divide both sides by under root a square plus b square. Then tan alpha is equals to b upon a. Then sin alpha is equals to b upon under root a square minus v square. Tan alpha we calculate easily. Then cos alpha is equals to this. Then cos theta cos alpha plus sin theta plus sin alpha. We calculate, which is equals to c upon under root b. Simply put the value of. Then cos theta minus alpha is equals to c upon under root a square plus b square. Then a cos theta plus b sin theta is equals to c. Has no solution if magnitude of c is lesser than or equals to under root a square plus b square. Then cos phi is equals to modulus of c upon under root a square plus b square. Cos theta minus alpha is equals to cos phi. Theta minus phi is equals to 2n pi plus minus phi. Theta is equals to 2n pi plus minus phi plus alpha. Another relation